Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on the Bingo Cash game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bingo Cash game on your device and you will get your reward while opening up the game for the first time. Once you open up your game, you will be taken into the main menu from which you can start playing your game by tapping on the Play Now button right away. Now, if you wish to invite your friends onto the game, then you can tap on the gift icon at the top left corner and you will now see the invite friends option. You can see that with every friend you invite, you will get 10 points within your account. Go ahead and tap on the invite friends option, and now this will give you a link that you can directly share using various different applications with other users that you want to invite. You may also tap on the copy button and manually share this link with your friend. Once this person taps on this link to install the Bingo Cash application, you will get your reward within your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add friends on the Bingo Cash game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.